Hi, I'm Michael, founder of Rock Solid Plugins. Today I'll walk you through setting up some easy pop-ups using the Easy Popups plugin. So once you've found the plugin on wp.org or downloaded it from our website, you can activate the plugin. So after you've activated the plugin, you can add your first pop-up. So for this one, let's add a simple text-only pop-up. So once you land, you can see there's a live preview. Here the settings are underneath. So for instance, if we wanted to add this simple text only, we can give it some text here, and we give it some text here. So, you know, we can make this look a little bit better, I think. So we go to the design tab, make it maybe a yellow background, and we can then tweak the alignment of the text. So maybe let's center it vertically as well. And maybe let's give it a button. And for the button, you can choose to have it link off to somewhere, or we can also choose to dismiss the pop-up, which means that once the user clicks that button or clicks the little X at the top right corner, it will hide it from the user the next time they visit the page. And you can specify the duration. We'll get to that in a second. So maybe, you know, we give this this button a label of close this pop-up. Then if we go to the triggers tab, in the hide duration, we can give it a hide duration of 1 hour, which means once the user clicks, it will hide. We'll set a cookie in the user's browser for 1 hour, it won't show. So let's publish this pop-up and view on site. All right, so now we can see the pop-up there. If I close it or via the button, next time I refresh, it should not show, and it doesn't. So now let's add another pop-up. Maybe with some text and a form, maybe for a newsletter sign up. So we can choose maybe a text left, image right option, and let's give it a maybe a title, stay in touch, content, something like this. And let's upload an image, maybe of this car. So we can set that on the right and then manipulate the size a little bit to zoom it in. For the form, we can hit the call to action and then open up the form, and we can add a form shortcode here. So we like contact form 7, of course, which is a great plugin. So we already have a newsletter form set up. I can copy the shortcode and just add it there. We can hit publish, and again we can view on site, and there we go. So we can customize this pop-up a little bit more. So for the design, we can give it perhaps a different border radius. So let's add a 10, so you can see the borders are now nicely rounded. Maybe the animation, let's choose like a zoom in effect. Let's have a look how that looks. There we go, pretty cool. So maybe to customize it a little bit more, we can set where this pop-up shows. So you might not want the pop-up to show everywhere. Let's say that we only want this to show on this page, which is the newsletter pop-up page. Simply copy the URL and then paste it into this include tab here. Or you can also do it the other way around to exclude it from certain pages. So now when I save and view, it will link me to that page and it will show, but on other pages, such as the home page, it will not show anymore. One other thing that we can do is not to have it show immediately, but maybe when users have scrolled a certain part of the page. So I'll set it now to only show after 20% of the page has been scrolled. Save it and let's view it again. So now it doesn't show automatically. Once I then start scrolling, boom, it pops in. So next to this, you can also set a schedule. So if you only want the pop-up to show within a certain time frame, you can add it here, and it would automatically show then based on the time zone of your site. So I hope you like this overview. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us on the forum on wp.org, or of course on our own website, rocksolidplugins.io. Thanks for watching.